Hello, my name is Andrea Camila Aragón Vanegas, group 42, English level 2. Last weekend I went to La Represa de Prado. I stayed there for 3 days and went with my boyfriend. I liked it because it was cheap. We paid 20,000 for a delicious lunch each. I like it because there were a lot of places to canoe. For example, I went to the Hidden Treasures Cave and also to the Waterfall of Love, and I like it a lot. I came back Monday night ago because I had to study on Tuesday morning. Follow each step if you are planning to go to Prado Tolima, Stage 1. The weather in La Represa de Prado is warm. You must go in fresh clothes, not very hot. For the whole day it is very hot, but in the night is cool. Stage 2. It is recommended that you wear shorts. It is a good idea to canoe and the islands that are inside the deep. When you ride a boat, it is important to use a life jacket. It is necessary to wear comfortable shoes. It is advisable to pay the service to ride a boat, and in this way can be different waterfalls and islands that are in La Represa de Prado. What you should do if you plan to go to La Represa de Prado, you should check the price of transport and stay. You must make a hotel reservation a few days before because there are many tourists in high season. You'd better wear repellent because there are a lot of mosquitoes in the night. Stage 3. What you must not do. You must not wear elegant clothes. Do not forget the repellent. You'd better not leave it without a good camera. Thank you.